Ready to unlock the power of authentic storytelling to skyrocket your brand's engagement? First, head over to Creatify AI, a platform designed to make creating user-generated content ads incredibly easy. Click the Create New Project button to kickstart your UGC ad journey. Now, fill in the project details, including your product's name, a description of your ideal target audience, and the overall style you envision for your ad. Be as specific as possible. This helps Creatify AI tailor the content effectively. Need some inspiration? Creatify AI offers example prompts to help you brainstorm creative ideas. Creatify AI will generate multiple script options based on your input. Choose the one that best resonates with your vision or customize further. Next, select from Creatify AI's library of video clips or upload your own footage. Ensure the clips are high quality and align with your chosen script. Now, with Creatify AI's Easy Task Editor, customize the ad to your liking, adjust the pacing, add text overlays, and fine-tune the visuals to perfection. Preview your masterpiece and make any final adjustments. Ensure your ad features a clear call to action and that it's optimized for your target platform. See the difference? Authentic content is king. Start using Creatify AI today and watch your engagement soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips. #CreatifyAI #UGC video.